What's up, you guys? This is your girl Mama, and I'm coming to you today with another video. And today we are doing a very natural and simple look, something that you can wear casually or you can also wear it out. You can dress this look up if you please too. As always, my eyebrows are already done. If you guys want to see an eyebrow tutorial, just leave a comment down below and we could definitely get that done for you. And I need you guys to pause this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe, and also hit the bell to your right so you guys are notified when I upload a new video. Alright, now we can get into the video. So unlike the other videos, I did not use the Precisely Brow Pencil to do my eyebrows today. I used the Cabral, which is this, which is in the number 4. Okay, and we are going to go ahead and get started with our eyes. I used this particular eyeshadow primer by Urban Decay. This is the color Eden for my eyeshadow base, and we're going to start off with our Juvia's Place palette Nubian 2. And I'm just going to take a blending brush, and I'm going to be taking the color Morocco, which is right here, and I'm going to actually blend that out in my crease. Now that I got Morocco blended out like I needed to be in both creases, we're going to switch palettes. We're going to go to the Nubian palette, the original by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take this color right here, which is this nice brown, and I'm going to blend that out on my lid and also in the crease as well. Guys, and next we're going to take this color right here and we're going to do the same. These two blended out well, you guys, we're going to go back to our Nubian 2 palette, and we're going to take this color Kenya, which is right here, and we're going to blend that out in the corners of our eye into the crease to darken that up a little bit. Alright, you guys, now that we have both of the eyes blended, we're going to pause, and I'm going to go and put on my eyelashes as well as my eyeliner, because you guys know I'm blind as a bat and I do not do that on camera. It's going to take forever, so I'll be right back. Alright, guys, we are back. We have our eyelashes applied, and today the eyelashes that we use are from Kiss. It's the Flutterful and Fierce This is the Halloween edition. You guys probably saw this in my last video. That's what we applied on today. Now, to start on our face, we're going to be using our Pore Professionals from Benefit Cosmetics. I have extremely oily skin and my pores are wide open. I look like I got craters on my face. So we're just going to take this and apply this all. Alright, y'all, and the foundation we're going to be using today is the Lancome. And this is actually my first time using this. I purchased this today. And this is in the color 470. Just going to take that out. And I'm going to be applying that with my beauty blender. So we're going to wet that up with my spray bottle. I'm just going to take a couple squirts and put this on the back of my hand. And we're going to blend this all over our face. So after we have our foundation all nice and blended, we're going to go ahead and apply our concealer. The concealer that we're going to be using is by LA Girl Pro, and this is in the color Fawn. This blended, we're going to set the concealer with my Laura Mercier. You guys can barely see that, but this is in the color Translucent Deep. So now we have let this sit on our face. We're going to take a powder brush and just brush all of the excess powder out. Okay, guys, I'm going to go in with an all-over setting powder, and I'll be using my L'Oreal True Match. This is in the color C7. And for our contour today, we're going to be using my Ultra Contour Kit. And I'll be going in with the color Golden Goddess. For our blush today, we're going to be going in with the one and only eBay blush kit. And I'll actually be using this peach color that's right there. Alright, you guys, after our blush is applied, we're going to be going in with our highlight. We'll be using the Artist Couture Jackie Aina in the color Le Bronze. That's what this looks like. The bronze. Guys, so now we're going to go back up to our eyes. So I'm going to be aligning my bottom the bottom portion of my eye with a brown eyeliner, and this eyeliner is from e.l.f. Okay, you guys, so now that that's done, I'm going to go back to my eyeshadow palette. We'll be going back to the original Nubian by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to be taking this color right here on the end and also apply that to the bottom portion of my eye. Guys, now that that is done, we're going to go ahead and do our lips. And to line our lips, we're going to be using this NYX lip liner, and this is in the color brown. And the lipstick that we're going to be using today is a MAC lipstick. This is in the color Pure Vanity. Alrighty, and after that, you guys, we're going to set our face, and we'll be using the Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray. I'm gonna move my bonnets because your girl is natural, so any type of moisture is gonna start making my hair revert back. Don't need that. And you guys, we are all done. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you did not do that at the beginning of the video. And I will start posting videos on every Thursday, so make sure you guys keep a lookout for those. If you have any questions or any suggestions on new videos, make sure you leave that in the comment box below. And like I say, you guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, also share this video, share the video, and also click that bell to your right, and make sure you tune in next time. Bye guys.